This is David with another cruise ship tour. This time it's Carnival Horizon. I like to start at the bottom and in the front. Here by the front elevators you have guest services, Reflections main dining room, Carnival Adventures, and the rest of the atrium and the atrium bar. The main dining room, the Meridian, is in the aft on decks 3 and 4, but you can't take deck 3 to get here because the galley's in the way. Take deck 4 or 5. Skipping to deck 4, all the way in the front, we have the bottom level of the liquid lounge. Heading aft, we come back to the atrium, right in the middle, and a lot of fun shops. Next we come to the Horizon Casino. Club O2 is by the middle elevators. Continuing aft on the starboard side promenade, we come to the Skybox Sports Bar. Just before the aft elevators, we'll come to the Limelight Lounge. Past the aft elevators, we'll come to the upper level of the Meridian dining room. On deck 5 is the upper level of the liquid lounge. After the elevators, we come to the top level of the atrium. Start heading aft. First thing we come to is the library. On the other side is Piano Par 88, Bonsai Teppanyaki, Fahrenheit Steakhouse 555, and you can oversee the casino there. Then the always popular Alchemy Bar. Next is Pixels, then the Pig and Anchor Barbecue and Brew House. They have entertainment here. Next is Java Blue and the Shake Spot. It's right next to Ocean Plaza. Have a lot of trivia and entertainment here. Another bar. Outside is the Lanai. Extra seating. Keep heading back. Come to the Havana Suites area. The aft elevators and the Havana Bar. On deck 6 by the forward stairs is the Warehouse Arcade and Circle C. And right here by the elevators is the IMAX Theater. It's a great feature. It's only on the Horizon and the Vista. Decks 7 through 9 are all cabins, so we come up to 10 and the Lido. Here between the forward and middle elevators, we have the beach pool, also called the resort pool, the Red Frog Rum Bar, the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. A little farther aft is Blue Iguana Mexican food. And then on the starboard side is everybody's favorite, Guy's Hamburgers. Next, we're going to come to the Lido Marketplace Buffet. First thing we come to in the buffet is the ice cream station. That'll open at 11. In the aft of the Lido Marketplace Buffet is a beer station. Deli sandwiches open from 11 to 11. There's stairs that'll take you up to Gigi's and Cappuccino del Capitano all the way in the back. And the restrooms are back here on the starboard side, right by the elevator. Continuing past the aft elevator, we'll come to the Tides Pool, the Tides Bar, the Seafood Shack that costs a little extra, and Pizzeria del Capitano for your included pizza. And this will be a nice breakfast bagel station in the morning. Deck 11 forward is just cabins, but here by the Lido on the starboard side, there's smoking that goes all the way back to the Tides Pool. And here inside by the center elevator is Camp Ocean and an extra staircase going up to the clubhouse. Here all the way by the aft elevators is Gigi's Asian Kitchen, Casino del Capitano, Chinese food and Italian food. Included for lunch. There's those stairs down to the Lido Marketplace Buffet. And it's an extra cost for dinner. All the way in the front of Deck 12 is an excellent fitness center. Start heading aft a little bit, and you find the Cloud9 Spa. When we pass the forward elevators, we'll come to Dr. Seuss Waterworks. Good morning. Now we're passing the Lido Pool again, and movies. Aft of the Lido is the jogging track, sports square, mini golf, and the clubhouse. Farther aft is the sports court and more fitness equipment. There is no deck 13 in Carnival, so we're going to skip up to 15. 14 just has a few cabins in the upper level of the Cloud9 Spa. Now we're on deck 15. All the way forward is the Serenity area. It's adults only. They have nice padded loungers, bar, Fresh Creation salad bar, open in the afternoon. A couple of hot tubs. Okay, we have a great view of Curacao. That'll do it for now. See you next time.